Okay guys, today there's a dolphin. SpongeBob, there's no such thing as a dolphin. Yes it is. No dolphin. Is it? Squidward, what's your mouth? Okay, we should wait until the fire drill stops. Okay, waiting. Thanks for what, except for Squidward. He's not listening. I'll show him fire drills on the safety. When Squidward goes to school at midnight. Yes, I break all the fire drills. Now time to go back to my house and never listen to the fire drills again. A few moments later. Have a good day at school, Squidward. What happened to the fire drills?
Yeah, I agree with SpongeBob.
It's not a big deal. Anyways, let's just go in. Squidward, report to my office immediately. Squidward, I just saw the security cameras that you said you break all the fire alarms. That's it. I'm calling your parents. Squidward, let's go home.